Okay.
Hello. Today you're going to be doing a lab entitled Properties of Ionic Compounds. The point is to figure out the properties of these and other ionic compounds. Today you will be using the following compounds: calcium nitrate, potassium nitrate, calcium chloride, and copper 2 sulfate. As well, other materials that you will require include the following items that you see in front of you. Of course, you will begin the procedure by putting on your safety goggles. Safety first. Next, you will want to create an observation table to record your information. Notice today that you will be testing 4 compounds for their color, texture, luster, brittleness, solubility, and conductivity. Seeing as you already have step 1, your goggles on, you go to step 2, where you go and you collect a small sample of each of the compounds and place it in a well of the spot plate. Instead of just 1, let's collect 2 crystals. Small sample is key. You will continue doing this for all 4 samples. The next thing you will do is you will observe your samples, and you will record the color, you will record the texture, and by texture we mean, is it crystal or is it powder? You will record the luster, and after you have done that for each of the 4 samples, you are ready to begin the tests. The first test you will do is a test for brittleness. You will grab the mortar and pestle and a small sample of your first compound, and you will place it in the mortar and pestle. Then you will take the pestle and you will attempt to tap the compound. If the compound shatters, it is brittle, and you will record that in your observation table. From here, you will clean out your mortar and pestle, and you will repeat that test for the other compounds. You will clean it out with a paper towel and not your hand. The next test you will perform on chemical 1 is a test for solubility. You will collect a small sample of water using your pipette. Drop in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of water. Let the crystal sit for 30 seconds and determine if the sample is soluble. You may need to stir the sample. Notice if the sample is shrinking in size, or if the water changes color, then the sample is soluble. If not, the sample is insoluble. The final test, which you will perform, is a test for conductivity. So you'll grab the conductivity tester, you will turn it on, and you will insert the prongs into the water in order to determine the solubility or the conductivity of the sample. You will of course repeat this test for the other remaining compounds. Once you are finished, you will clean up as directed by the teacher. You will remove the goggles and you will answer lab questions. Excellent.